Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, so I decided to do the sew in my hair. So it's like a new short hairstyle sew in. The difference is from my first one, which I believe I did like 4 or 5 years ago, so very long, and I'll continue to get good I continue to get views on that video, and it was so long ago, so I really do appreciate you all tuning in to that video. So I decided to do an update video for a short sew-in, for a short hairstyle sew-in. I believe I said that right. Yes, so I've been wanting my hair short. I've been like so tempted to cut my hair out, but the only thing about it, if I was to rock it straight like this, I have to continue straightening it, and I don't want to lose my curls if I was to cut my hair out. So I decided to opt for a sew-in. So I went and did that. The difference is I did use a closure piece to make it look a little bit more realistic, and I plan on having this in maybe a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks or so. Just depends on if this shift or not, because my hair tends to grow fast under when I'm having a protective style, when I have a protective style in my hair. But these are the final results. This time I kind of have it like wispy in the back. I do need to go in and trim it like a little bit on the side and maybe touch up the back. But yeah guys, these are the results. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. really I did some touch up here where I had to mousse it down and wake up the next morning to curl it and trim it a little bit more. So I kind of like this way better than what you seen in the video. But guys, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the thumbs up. That lets me know that you're enjoying the videos or whatnot, and that kind of encourages me to continue on so doing videos, guys. But anyhow, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.